Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn financial analysis step by step. We'll begin by understanding the fundamental goals of financial analysis, which is to evaluate a company's performance and health. Then, we'll identify the essential financial statements you need to master. Finally, we'll cover how to interpret basic financial ratios, providing a solid foundation for your analytical journey. This structured approach will guide you effectively. To truly understand a company, you must master its financial statements. The income statement reveals a company's revenues, expenses, and ultimately, its net profit over a period, typically 3 months or 1 year. The balance sheet provides a snapshot of assets, liabilities, and owner's equity at a specific point in time. Lastly, the cash flow statement tracks all cash inflows and outflows, showing how cash is generated and used. These 3 statements are interconnected and crucial. Financial ratios are powerful tools for deeper insights. Profitability ratios, such as the net profit margin, show how much profit a company makes from its sales. Liquidity ratios, like the current ratio, indicate a company's ability to meet short-term obligations, often within 12 months. Solvency ratios, such as debt to equity, measure a company's long-term financial stability. Understanding these ratios helps you compare companies and identify trends over time. Aim to learn at least 10 to 15 key ratios. Learning financial analysis requires consistent practice. Start by analyzing the financial reports of publicly traded companies. Many are available online. Use spreadsheet software, like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, to organize data and perform calculations efficiently. Consider pursuing professional certifications, such as the Chartered Financial Analyst designation, to validate and advance your skills. Continuous learning and hands-on application are key to becoming a proficient financial analyst. Dedicate at least 1 hour daily to practice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.